Okay, so come to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, a lead pencil consists of a cylinder of wood with a solid cylinder of graphite filled in the interior. Okay, so the diameter of the pencil is 7 millimeter and the diameter of the graphite is 1 millimeter. So if the length of the pencil is 14 centimeter, find the volume of the wood and that of the graphite. So in this case you have to find two volumes. One is volume of the graphite and one is volume of the wood. So volume of the graphite you can easily find by using the radius of the graphite. That means the diameter of the graphite is given 1 millimeter. If you convert, if you find the radius from that, that means 1 by 2, 0.5 millimeter is the radius of the graphite, and height is 14 centimeter. That means suppose 140 millimeter. Using that radius and height, you can easily find the volume of the graphite. Okay. So another one is volume of the wood. Okay. So volume of the wood you will be find. Volume of the wood is the volume of the pencil. At first you have to find the volume of the pencil, then from volume of the pencil you have to subtract the volume of the graphite, then you can find the volume of the wood. Okay, so at first you have to write the given things. Question number 7. So given height of the pencil, so 8 simple numbers, 14 centimeter. If you convert something in millimeter, then it will be 140 millimeter, because 1 centimeter is equal to what? 10 millimeter. That is 140 millimeter. Okay. So again, diameter of the pencil is given 7 millimeter. Okay. So therefore, radius of the pencil, suppose R1, which is 7 by 2 millimeter. Okay, or 3.5 millimeter. Again, diameter of the graphite is given 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. Okay, so therefore radius of the graphite, suppose you write R2, which will be 1 by 2 millimeter, equal 0.5 millimeter. Okay, so radius of the graphite is 0.5 millimeter. So now you have to find, one is the volume of the graphite and one is volume of the wood. Okay, so that means volume of the graphite you can easily find from directly you can find by the radius of the graphite and height. Okay, so therefore first you write volume, therefore volume of the graphite, which is pi R2 square is, because we are taking R2 as the radius of the graphite. Pi R2 square is, okay, so pi is 22 by 7. So R2 is 0.5 into 0.5 and H is what? 140, which is millimeter cube. So 7, this one is 20. So 20 into 2, 44. That means 440 into 0.25 millimeter cube. Okay, so 440. So whenever you multiply by 10, it comes to 400. So calculation do yourself. 44 into 2.5. So 5 for the 20. So 110 millimeter cube. Okay, and if you convert into centimeter, you can divide by 10,000 centimeter. So 1, that is 0.11 centimeter cube. 0.11 centimeter cube is the volume of the graphite. Okay. Again volume of the wood used, volume of the wood is equal to volume of the pencil, volume of the pencil minus volume of the graphite. Okay, suppose the pencil is like that. Suppose this part is suppose graphite and this is the wood part. So at first we find that volume of this part using the radius R1, R2, okay, small radius. Now we have to use the bigger radius, and at first you have to find the volume of the whole pencil. And if from the volume of the pencil, suppose from this part, okay, so suppose from this part, if you subtract this part, then from whole part, suppose you subtract this part, then you will get the volume of the wood. Okay, so volume of the pencil minus volume of the graphite. So volume of the pencil is what? Pi R1 square H, and this one is pi R2 square H. So if you take the common, then pi, if you take common pi H, then it will be R1 square minus R2 square. Okay. So 22 by 7 into H is what? 140. Again, R1 square by R2 square. R1 square minus R2 square, you can write like this: R1 plus R2 whole into R1 minus R2. You can solve by this way also, or directly you can solve by squaring the term also. This one is R1 plus R2 into R1 minus R2. Okay, so 440 into R1 is what? R1 is 7 by 2. 7 by 2. 7 by 2 plus or 7 by 2, you can have 3.5. So 3.5 plus 0.5 and 3.5 minus 0.5. Okay, so 440 into 3.5 plus 5, so is 4, and 3.5 is what? 3. So 40 is 12. It means 440 into 12. So 0, 12, 4 is 48. 48. So 48, so 52. 5280. Okay, so 5280 what? Millimeter cube. Or you can directly solve by squaring the term also. So 5280 millimeter cube. So 5280 divided by 1, 2, 3 becomes centimeter cube. So 0. That is 5.28 centimeter cube. Okay.